Recipes Mania fans, we're back, and today we're making a recipe called Supreme Chocolate Cake. So we'll mix up the chocolate cake ingredients and we'll be right back.
Okay, so we have our chocolate cake mix. Today we're using Betty Crocker Super Moist Chocolate Fudge Cake Mix. And we have 3 eggs, and then we're going to be adding some peanut butter. Alright, so we added a cup of water and we're ready to mix up our batter. Alright, so here is our cake batter. Looking good. What should we add next?
You see those sugar ice cream cones that we crunched up?
You chop those up, and then she had a taste test, so then I had to taste one too.
Hey, sugar cones are good. What can I say?
Yep. So we'll add all that in.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Oops.
Oops.
That's okay though.
Alright, and we'll mix that. Ice cream cones are in, and we are ready for our last ingredient.
Peanuts.
Yeah, we have Planters dry roasted salted peanuts. How many should we add?
Like, just a sprinkle.
Just a sprinkle? Okay. Like that?
A little more. Okay, enough.
Good. Okay. And we'll mix that in. The peanuts are mixed in, and we have here a bundt cake pan, which I've sprayed with nonstick spray, and we're going to put in our cake batter. Alright, we baked it for about 50 minutes, and it is done. It looks good, and Crystal is going to do a taste test for us. How is it?
I forgot to try this.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I can't wait to try it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try this recipe for yourself. And we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.
Bye.